So guys, for the first method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Outlook. Now, you want to right click on it and then click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now, you want to click on repair. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. It's now going to reset Outlook. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.